Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making boiled egg and soldiers.
Alright, it's a very simple video, but some people have said that they don't know how to do this, so we're just going to take some hot water, get it to a nice simmer, which is where you can see bubbles on the bottom of the pan, but it's not an aggressive boil. Take 2 eggs and we stick a pin in the bottom of each of the eggs, like that, just through the base of the eggshell, straight in the water. As soon as you put them in the water, set a timer, a 5-minute timer. The reason you put the pin into the eggshell is to stop the eggshell cracking. Whilst they're cooking, butter a piece of toast. Take the piece of toast, chop it right down the middle, and take each of the sides and chop it into dippable soldiers that will go into your egg. There's the toast done. After 5 minutes, and immediately, like the minute your timer goes off, get the eggs out as quick as you can. Take one, fold it over like that, just so you're in complete control of the egg. Use a serrated knife, just tap, 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 and then give it a quick chop down and keep that lid on. Same again with the second one. You see, just make that little bed around it. Just, you're in full control. The knife's not going to slip. You know where you are, and you can just chop down quick. And that's it. What you wanted to do there is just chop slightly into the yolk. So when you pull that one off, see that one on the right hand side, the one I just pulled off, I know what you're thinking, oh, it looks like it's overdone. It's not at all, you'll see. It's just that we've only chopped slightly into the yolk. Salt and pepper, your eggs and the tops, and then just dunk your soldiers in. You see what I'm trying to do? I don't want to waste all that yolk. I don't need that yolk flying all down the outside. But I want to show you how yolky it is. I could have just dunked it in really, but that's it. Dip it in. There you go. I'm dunking a soldier into a boiled egg. What more do you want? And here's the one that potentially looks overdone. Look at that. Come on. Yep. It's boiled egg and soldiers. There you go. Once you've dunked them to as much as you want, get your spoon in there, scoop out some of the inside bit by bit. Should be beautiful and soft and fantastic and creamy and wonderful. That is boiled egg and soldiers. The trick is stick to your absolute 5 minutes. Simmer in water, not violently boiling. Simple as that. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.